Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So guys, as you all know that our alphabet mandala series has completed now. So I'm going to upload the videos for dot mandala now. And did you like my alphabet mandala series? Please do comment in the comment section so that I would know that you liked it or not. So for the keychain MDF, its size is 2 inches and in diameter, and I painted it black with the base. Even I have uploaded videos for the how to make a keychain or DIY keychain. You can check in my previous videos, but here are some new designs for you guys, so I hope you like it. And after completing the base, I found the center of this 2 inches base. Of course it will be, center will be the 1 inch. And after completed the center, I am making the grid for the dots so that I can easily place dots on the MDF base. Guys, here I am going to use the colors in light or dark combinations. So I will use the lilac shade and the lavender shade. I hope you like it. So I have started with the lilac shade and I put a dot in the center with the flat tool. Now I'll make some running dots all over the center with these tools, round shape tools, to make a little small border around the center. So I'm taking the blue shade, sky blue shade, for the running dots, and there is not a lot of work of this shade in the design, but for the dots, running dots or borders, I am using white. And in the center I place the dot, but it's looking like white shade due to the flashlight or the light reflection. It is looking like white, but it's not white in center. So I'm completing the border like this, and for each and every dot I need to dip the tool in the bottle so that I can place the dot easily. And after completing this, I'll make the further design. So guys, I am making the dot mandala after so very much long time, and yeah, I like it. Or please, you have to try even for once. Now I'm taking a little bigger dot comparatively to the previous one, and now I'm placing the dots all above the last dots. So इस तरीके से हम डॉट्स को प्लेस कर देंगे पूरा, ठीक है। तो हमारा एक सिंपल सेंटर में बॉर्डर प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द सेंटर, I am going to use this technique. Guys, you can check. I am making or placing the dots with lilac shade alternatively. So the consistency of your paint should be very good so that you can drag it very smoothly. Now after placing the dot, I am taking the smaller tool and dragged it properly till the end. And so now it's like a drop shape, water drop shape. So like this you have to make this. And yeah, you can use this color all over the you can use single color all over the keychain, but I am using here light and dark combination. So I will use the lilac shade in one area, and we will use the darker shade than this in the second area. So इस तरीके से I will complete the whole. Now you can check the whole design. I have turned off the flashlights, but there is some shadow in the area, but now you can check the whole design properly, whole color combination properly. So I have completed the lilac shade contrast. Now I'll use the dark purple shade for the next design. So this is the purple shade, but I don't know why it is like blue in the video. I think due to the color scheme, but you have to put the dots like we did before and just drag it with the smaller tool. Just always remember, drag the paint with the pinpoint tool so that it can make easily a tail shape look. Okay, so like that you need to spread it all, and after that you need to complete this design all over the keychain. Guys, if you are watching my video till now, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can receive notifications of my beautiful artworks in future. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video as well. And now you can check that how it is looking. It is looking like a floral scheme, floral pattern, and guys, it is my favorite one, and now it has been sold out हो चुका है ये वाला कीचेन. और अगर आपको अपने कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में, ब्यूटीफुल कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ ये कीचेन बनवाना है तो लेट मी नो इन कमेंट्स. आपको अगर ऑर्डर करना है तो आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. मुझे बताना ज़रूर कमेंट्स में इफ़ यू वांट टू ऑर्डर इट नाउ. एंड आप इसको कस्टमाइज़ करवा सकते हो. एंड इस तरीके से मैंने कुछ डॉट्स को उल्टी डायरेक्शन में नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ प्लेस किया है to like make a raise effect. And it's almost going to complete now. So guys, if you have liked my video, thank you so much, and please, who have not done yet, do like, share and subscribe to my video. And don't forget to comment, guys, how do you like it. And thank you so much for watching, everyone. And please, who wants to give me the orders for the beautiful dot mandala keychains, please let me know in comments. I'll share the details with you that how you can order from me. And that's all. My keychain is completed now. You can check the final look here. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.